All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to delete a saved payment method that has been remembered by Google Chrome. Because by default, Google Chrome has the ability to save your credit card information or your Google Wallet information or whatever in order to use that information and autofill payment forms later to make browsing around and shopping on the internet a lot faster. So to delete those, you can just go over to your settings in Chrome, down here at the bottom underneath these three little dots next to your profile picture. Go to settings, and then here is like your name and all of your personal data, but you want to go to autofill and passwords, and then to payment methods, and then here under payment methods, you can see all the ones that are sitting here inside of your account. Now, what you probably want to do is go through and delete any of them that look like they're expired. Like, I know I don't use this one. This card physically got replaced, so I can edit this in Google Wallet. All right. So once you're logged in and you've clicked to go to your Google Wallet, you can go down here this is your card information. You can go down here and you can go ahead and click remove payment method, and boom, that is how you delete it. So once that's done and you reload that payment info page for autofill, you can go through and delete all of them if you really want to. But otherwise, that particular card, either functional or not, is gone forever until you decide to tell Google that it's allowed to remember it again in the future, or you enter a different card. So I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.